95% of home buyers search for a home online. The internet is now the first place people will discover your home, and having an engaging, comprehensive listing is more important than ever. Your agent has chosen the Matterport 3D Showcase to help present your listing online. With a Matterport 3D Showcase, potential buyers can take a tour of your home from the comfort of theirs, as if they are actually there. A Matterport 3D Showcase is so much more than a traditional virtual tour or video. It is fully interactive. The buyer can choose where they want to go and what they want to see, just like an in-person showing. Because the Matterport camera captures in 3D, you actually feel like you're there and not simply sliding through photos. With Matter Tag posts, your agent can highlight the key features that make your home special. Potential buyers won't have to rely on a brief listing description. Instead, they can see those features exactly where they are in your home. The Matterport 3D Showcase is designed to be easy for everyone to use. Simply press play for an automated walkthrough of the home. If they see something they like, they can stop the tour and explore the area in more detail. With a Matterport 3D Showcase, your home will be available for a showing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without disrupting your daily routine. By investing in the latest technology, your agent is investing in you. So sit back and relax. With a Matterport 3D Showcase on your listing, selling your home just got a whole lot easier. Matterport.